Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing, my fellow shoppers. Today we are reviewing the WOLFANG action camera. So this is the GA300. Alright guys, so with some edits, this is what it looks like. So of course we did some videos. Go ahead and show you guys what you get. It is a 4K. Wow guys, check this kit out. They give you 2 batteries, looks like a microphone, waterproof case, other cases, all these accessories, mounting accessories. I mean, this is amazing guys. You get every accessory that you need. Charging cables. I mean, this is crazy. Check out the manual. So for all the accessories, make sure you check out the manual and the listing. Obviously, if we went over every single accessory and installed it and showed you, we'd be here about 5-6 hours later. So this is the camera. Now this is a waterproof case that they give you. That is awesome. Make sure you peel off this protective piece. Very nice wide lens. Looks like the camera lens has protection on the inside, so make sure you take your camera out first. You can operate it from the outside. So here's how you charge it, and you got your TF card port, touch screen. You got your mode, you got your power button in the front here. Make sure you go ahead and peel off from the lens. We're just going to quickly set this up. So we need to put an SD card in, but let's go over some settings while we have it here. You got video resolution, 4K 60, 4K 30, 2.7K 30. Oh wow. All these different settings. Wow. That is crazy, guys. 240 frames per second. Insane. Power, sound, microphone, white balance effect, calibration, driving mode, date and time, screensaver, power off, auto on record, format card, system.